Hello guys and
Hello.
very good afternoon. Today we would like to discuss about our plan for selecting and production of 2 minutes audiovisual commercial. So I would like to start with Sazani. Do you have any suggestion for our team this video production?
I think that my brain is still freezing and
From what?
Why don't you start?
I think my brain is also still freezing, but it's still functioning also.
Okay,
I
good.
think we should do something that is related to teenagers nowadays. So
Like-
what?
I think so.
You think so? Yes, good.
Before
Let's
that, I
do it.
just want to let you guys know that we have to make 2 videos actually. So we have to select 2 teams for today.
So one is for
About the teenagers and then
Second one is
maybe products.
maybe you guys can
Maybe we can
think
promote
about
products
it.
or whatever.
How about if we do about antisocial?
Antisocial.
Antisocial.
That is good, right?
Good, yeah, that's
Promote teenagers more to social
Yeah.
activities.
It's about antisocial. It shows how teenagers nowadays is very antisocial.
Yeah.
With only doing works with their phones and then not interact with others, no communication.
Oh, no communication.
Less communication
So, Junie, what do you think?
in society.
What is the next thing?
Next team. How about tourism?
Tourism. I think
We promote
yes.
one place. This your
Yeah.
your
For example, promote Borneo
How about
Best.
we promote our phones?
Yes,
Yeah.
Borneo Best.
We can
Yeah.
use Google
Bukan
as well.
Rwanda, boleh
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
That's
Yes,
right.
I like it.
I like that.
Because people at outside they don't know what place here in UPM, what the attraction, what the attraction.
Actually, we can expose them.
Yes.
And we can also encourage researchers to do research.
Yes.
From
Good
outside, from
idea.
this country, maybe from overseas,
Not
Europe.
especially local. It's not that great to bring outside researchers actually. From what we learned before this, right?
Yeah.
It's better for the local researchers, but not that good for outside researchers.
So what else?
We need to.
Anyone have any idea? How do you propose to do the video for the first team? First team video. I mean,
For teenagers.
how
Antisocial.
do you want to do
Do it.
probably from inside or visual before we do it?
We can do the video during our, for example, we have a lunch. Then not all people communicate, but
Everybody is busy with their phones.
Even you're playing your phones, even your texts in front of you.
or every
Or
evening we go.
probably when the food came in, someone taking picture and then uploading.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a great idea.
It's the common thing that we just always.
Especially Sabri.
No, not me. I'm not the antisocial teenagers. Oh yeah.
You are anti-edu, right?
But
Who should to be the model for that?
Everybody should be.
Everybody should include.
But I
Everybody
think
can
we should make
contribute.
something different, like different from other anti-social videos.
Yeah.
Like,
So how we can make this video? I mean the flow of this video. For the first thing is for anti-social, right? So first thing we will choose one place and just show our just playing with phone and anti-social activities.
Or we can show several
So
video.
where is the place we should take?
Around the interview.
So maybe we can choose the most specific place. Like where?
I think it should be anywhere. I mean, just to portray that every teenagers.
In restaurants.
Yeah.
I mean, there must be several locations where
Yeah.
it shows that
Then we
teenagers
combine
are
it
using too
together.
much.
Even in the
So
class
realistic
also.
with this?
Even in class.
Are we realistic with this thing?
Yes. Yes, that's your idea. It's very brilliant.
It's okay if we
So do we need to inform the other group? So that they
yeah, maybe we should after this after
we should
We do not do the same sentence.
So after this meeting, you need to mention in our group.
You as the group leader, you need to mention.
So for the next thing is the tourism. Everybody's agree with that, or is there any ideas?
Julie, want to start?
Could you explain more about this? Tourism. The flow, what we
That's just my suggestion. All of you can get any idea how to make the team become more effective.
I think Borneo base has a lot of attractions. For example, it's rivers. The Sungai Kabo. I think it has very distinctive, very unique river that you can do shooting techniques.
Nirvana
Ruana, we're not very well acquainted
because I never been there.
So we can.
I'm afraid this opportunity to go there.
Yeah.
So we also got the waterfall. Yes. But
what?
didn't you just discuss about that we promote the Borneo base for researchers, local researchers? I mean, then we should do research in the Borneo.
Maybe the focus is not for researchers, maybe for other things. We need to introduce what is there in
Maybe we
to
can
outsiders.
just introduce the ecosystem there, the living things inside the Borneo base.
The biodiversity.
Biodiversity. We cannot just focus to the researcher because Borneo base, is just a small division forest. So maybe researcher will not just little bit interest with that forest. So maybe we can change the purpose of this video.
Maybe promote the place.
Promote.
Not just
Not
focus
just specific to the
specific
researcher.
to one.
Yeah.
So, we must shoot certain unique insects or animals and even
So
The tree,
we can just
fishes.
let's go to forum.
few of us will introduce this species.
It's like documentary.
But it's 2 minutes. I think there should be.
But we can make it short.
We can cut and then
Yes.
just show.
I think
show
we should
what's
just show
important.
the videos and then there's some words included like the rivers in Kirby. So amazing. There shouldn't be. I think documentary in a video or commercial is not suitable.
I agree with that.
Right, like the video for Malaysian tourism, Malaysian Truly Asian, you can say Borneo based Truly Asian.
that also can happen.
I did too much answer, I feel like vomiting.
Vomit. Yeah.
You want more?
Sabri.
Sabri? Any comment?
Any comments or any
Suggestion?
ideas?
Welcome.
But our both teams is good enough.
So for me, tourism is kind of broad, but if you can do it interesting, in interesting,
Yeah, maybe we can
interesting
put
ways
some
or-
job there.
I think we can take
Without
advantage of
comedy.
Supri's
Yeah.
professionalism in taking pictures.
In the
In editing
Then
the
Yeah,
video.
it's okay. I already buy the stabilizer, so make our video more.
You count
Amazing,
on
amazing. So we should use because they have prompts like in dialogue. So we save some works, which means we don't have to do makeup, we don't have to do prompts and anything. We just use
We
nature
already
as our prompts.
produce.
Yeah.
So amazing. Yes. I'm so excited, don't you?
Yeah, really excited.
I know, yeah,
I excited. Now I
I just
excited.
said, yeah.
I think Shukri is very excited on
Yeah,
this
Shukri.
video because
On
it's
editing
like-
video because this is
We're excited to show our
It's his
our
expertise.
talent.
Yeah, yes,
How we
yes.
can
It's time
act.
for you to show your talent.
yeah.
Yeah.
Shukri have this talent.
Because after this we need to post this to YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Maybe
To make you
people will
Maybe
watch.
from
The
this
top in the
people
world.
will
Yeah.
acknowledge your
Maybe
talent.
National
At the
Geographic
same
will watch
time,
the
we
video.
can also
Promote.
to improve ourselves to be confident.
Oh,
Yeah. Be confident.
be confident
Alright.
in what
In-
way?
In what
In
situation?
what presentation?
Oh,
Oh, I can see something.
In art,
It's okay, never mind, never mind.
video art.
It's okay. It's okay. No.
What?
Oh,
About the
nothing.
camera.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
but
see that
guys,
everyone
if you
is
want to
confident
have any
in
idea about
this.
the second team,
Oh, yeah, second.
you can just suggest.
Okay.
If you
I
all
think
of you
tourism
don't.
is good enough, and then because we want to show off
Shukri
Shukri's
Taylor's,
talent.
okay.
So it's good. So we should help him.
I think
Improvise.
from in my opinion, the first team, about the institution is very fitting to this
Current
situation.
situations
in-
where images are very much
worldwide.
Or we can watch other videos
It's-
about
yeah.
anti-social, but then we
Yeah.
can improvise it into
Yeah,
our
yeah,
own.
Yes.
Yeah. Find the idea.
That's right. That's right, Kak Shima.
Oh yes, my little brother.
What there?
Right, so you have anything
Yes.
else?
So
We
for
are.
tourism, our location at Bunia Base lah.
Yes.
Yeah, lah.
Not decide yet
So,
because we have to focus.
what time?
Time,
We can
maybe,
discuss later.
maybe we can do it.
Oh, we combine
Both forest.
Nirwana. Nirwana.
The problem is
Nirwana.
Nirwana forest is, you know,
Too far.
Too
Yeah.
Means it's too dangerous.
Yes. Yes.
What kind
It
of
takes like time.
getting lost.
Getting lost.
Because nobody in this group have been there.
Yes.
So we don't know the track, what
Yeah.
the way in the
Yeah.
forest.
We should invite one forestry student.
Enjoy.
Zack and Asri.
Ranger. Walking forest. Ranger.
Asri, alright.
Okay.
So when we start shooting for the first and second team?
For the first team, I think for next week we should discuss more details about the first team, and then after that we can start shooting.
Oh, we recently on 22nd of November, for the first commercial.
No, discuss
Oh.
next week.
Okay, discussing next words.
We already have 2 weeks.
Oh.
2 weeks to prepare for the video, first video, and another 2 weeks to prepare for the second
Oh.
video. So we have plenty of time to discuss. Is it?
Okay.
Yes, that's
Yes. Agree with you.
Okay. What next?
Next.
So I think
So anything else you want to add into the video? Any elements you want to add up?
we need to discuss about how we combine the video. How the
Combine.
video.
Combine.
How we do the video, you shoot the video, and then
Or
you
how
do-
to shoot
how
the
you
video?
edit,
I think
edit the video.
Shukri
Shukri
is
is
Oh.
His expert one.
I mean, we just take a video, then give Shukri.
Oh no, not
No,
like
no,
that.
maybe,
No, no,
maybe,
no.
We
we
use
will.
a good equipment such as Shukri's
Stabilizer.
camera and
And
stabilizer and
Okay,
props.
first thing you need to
His speed line.
okay, please let me
Okay,
speak.
okay. Yes, please. Go
Okay,
ahead.
first thing we should do is we must fully cooperate because we will as director we should do this thing,
Ah,
then
yes.
we will do it and I will shoot and maybe I will need some help to bring my carry camera because it's very wet.
Heavy.
Yeah.
No problem.
So,
So, but what about the dialogues? There's any
dialogues maybe we can discuss it.
Yeah.
Or we
can
just
plan
put
and
words.
plan.
I think we
Don't, I don't think so because I think we should speak inside the video.
Oh, your voice is very
Not
suitable
all of
for
us,
the
but
movie.
maybe some of us.
Some of us,
At least there's some
So we need a
dialogues in it.
simple dialogue.
Yeah,
lah.
simple.
Yeah, maybe you can
Because
promote like
Just like National Day.
because it's 2 minutes.
It's not like we are speaking
Yeah.
that much.
Yeah.
Just one words and then maybe just ask something and then that they just
We
ignore.
must make it
Yes.
short,
Make it short.
short and perfect. And compact it for 2 minutes video.
Yeah, that's right.
We can also shoot the as much of scene, so we can we can mix it together then
Oh yeah.
compact
I
it
get what you
into
mean. I get what
2
you mean.
minutes.
Okay.
For the first thing, you mean that we should at different
Angle.
Scene setting and then we can, and then after that we combine it.
Oh, you
from
mean
one
the
hour.
antisocial? Just situation. For example, in class, antisocial.
Yeah, because some people ignore their lecturers.
This is the
or-
first thing, right?
This is just first
First
thing.
thing.
The first thing is the antisocial.
But if we want to do scene in class, which lecturer?
Oh, we can just
No,
pick-
we just
we can just
pretending
pick
we
them
will
with their rest.
but we stick with one person who will be the antisocial, and then we will move to one scene to another scene. For example, we start with in the class, for example,
Yeah.
right? Maybe
One scene, maybe
you
just
you're the
inside.
person who are the antisocial, and then maybe I greet you, hello Zani, I say just hi,
Answer.
alright.
That is
Then
one
we move
scene.
to the second scene.
Second
For
scene is
example,
maybe
in
there's
Lea
lecturer
Canteen,
instead in
Just
class.
say,
Yeah,
Hey Zani, what are you doing? And then you still
we don't focus to
then-
the
Very much.
maybe the rest of us will be
The what?
not the main actor. She will the main actor. Yeah, maybe Julie.
Maybe Julie or
Ah,
I'm pretty.
You're pretty, yes.
Yeah.
Julie is
It doesn't matter.
I think they like
no, cannot. I will smack you. That is not.
Julie is pretty.
Julie
Julie is very
Think
Yeah.
like that. No, I
Then
have a
what
compliment.
happened?
So I am average 15 minutes video.
so how about the day?
70.
Okay. So you guys are great. Okay.
But
So
during
what
this
else?
mission, I'm not around.
Yeah. Maybe we can decide to sit
So
now.
we should plan earlier on when.
Wait, I'm not available from 6 until 17.
Same goes to
Remember?
me.
I'm not available from
Oh, that's available.
all
You are
days.
available.
I'm serious, I'm not available from 6 until 17.
I go
Same
Bangkok.
goes to me. I'm from 8 to 14.
Oh, me too.
I'm
Me
not
too.
going to be in
2 weeks or in
2 weeks? 2 weeks?
From 6 until 17.
What are you doing?
2 weeks, what are you doing?
Why are you doing this?
Hey, what are you doing?
Start from
6 to
6.
17.
6. Oh.
So I'm going.
I'm going for debate for 1 week.
Oh.
And
And vacation for 1 day.
I have training and also program.
Oh, Sebuti.
Awesome.
So that's mean we have to plan earlier on how we are, on when we are going to do our
Next week.
video. How about?
Next
So
week.
by next week you are not around.
No, next
And by next week.
Yeah, by next week.
yeah.
By next week, yeah.
So this
In
means
class, we can
we must shoot our video
Yes.
this week.
Yeah. In class, it's easy for us. In food court,
Food court?
What?
Yeah, maybe we can do
Yeah,
food court first class.
during week,
Class, food court. Yeah, maybe we can do the antisocial.
Yeah, class.
Yeah, maybe after class.
food court,
class.
sport evening.
Ah,
Yeah, Dylan go to badminton, then I just
Then Dylan
No, I just
invite
No, you go there,
the
but you don't
No, I just let's
Yeah,
play.
you just play.
I don't want to play.
Zani will be the main actor. for
Yes.
them.
Yeah.
I need play badminton. Oh,
Because
okay.
she looks not. She looks like a
She
guy.
looks
like a
She's
nun
yeah.
when she wears this spec.
Holding
Yes.
That
that
is very, very
Danny and Mary.
biased towards the people who's wearing spectacles. I think.
No,
I didn't say Mary. I say you, only you. Not in a brilliant way.
In this video, you look not, but in reality, you're not.
You know, you are good
Just
in
that.
all things.
Just acting.
Just
Just
acting.
acting.
Just do it. Like Nike.
Yes.
Mary is
maybe after this you can be the professional actor and be
Every 2 seconds, you just flip your
Because
head.
you're
Every
going
2
to be on
seconds.
YouTube. On YouTube.
Maybe
And
you
you are
can-
an actor.
You will be a famous.
Then I just
Indian
video
just
Maybe
imagine.
upload the video.
Yes, yes, I will be.
Yes, good.
Okay, it's already finished.
Okay, so
We can add some.
Do we need any props like?
Like what?
I think we should discuss that.
I think
Later, I think later. I have things to do after this, right? So.
Yeah, me too.
Me too.
Oh, me too.
Alright, so
I have to go to
I have to
play
fit my
volleyball.
What
The what?
topic? The
Topic.
the topic for our video.
What?
Mean
For first team.
Yes, for commercial one, topic is
Antisocial.
teenagers, double dot,
With phone.
double dot, antisocial. Like that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just to know,
Simple.
just to let them know.
Yes.
Later we
So the second.
Team 2 is
Borneo Best.
Borneo Best.
Truly AKB.
Yeah.
It's not truly.
Truly, yeah.
I think we should.
We make it like this, okay? Borneo Best, Undiscovered
Oh.
University. Undiscovered Biodiversity. And then maybe we need speakers, you know, like
Host.
Oh, so amazing, Madonna.
Yes,
Your
I-
brain is
so like Langsat, right? Okay.
What?
What?
So the second
What?
video will be like a documentary like.
Yeah.
Yes,
Just
yes.
play the video and then we have a background, maybe Shukri.
Chukri.
This is the super.
This is true.
the scientific name for this video.
Capsicum SP.
200 and something species.
Okay, okay.
Maybe something like that.
So
We can discuss it
Okay,
on
so,
by next
we
week.
will
For the
everything we will discuss later and then we will discuss about our school time,
Alright.
our dress for the every scene.
Okay.
Alright.
So,